Customer relationship management is changing fast. In 2025, it's not just about managing data, it's about creating intelligent, connected experiences powered by AI. Platforms like ServiceNow are redefining CRM, connecting sales, service, and operations into one AI-driven ecosystem. With unified data, every team sees the same real-time information. No silos, no duplicates, just smarter decisions across the customer journey. AI delivers hyper-personalization that scales, anticipating needs, guiding journeys, and building lasting relationships. Predictive Intelligence transforms CRM from reactive to proactive, helping teams forecast, prevent churn, and grow smarter. Conversational AI delivers human-like support 24/7 across chat, email, and self-service portals, enhancing every interaction. AI also strengthens compliance and trust, automating risk detection and ensuring transparent data handling. By 2025, AI-powered CRM isn't just improving service, it's driving measurable results like reduced churn and higher customer loyalty. At GlideFast Consulting, we help organizations harness ServiceNow CRM and AI, uniting data, automation, and intelligence for lasting growth. Ready to redefine your CRM with ServiceNow AI? Visit glidefast.com to get started.